Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair and welcome back to another tutorial with the lovely Bailey Belshaw, who's my lockdown assistant. So I saw this style, about 3-4 years ago, and I thought, I know it's going to suit. She suits these kind of like rocky, edgy styles. So it's a braid, it's fairly quick. I think you're going to love it. Let's get started.
Woo.
Woo! So I saw this style originally on Heather Chapman Hair. And it's just a really quick and quirky style to do. So I'm starting off by making sure that I've brushed all the hair coming this way. Bailey's actually resting her head on a hand so that her neck isn't sort of taking the weight of her head. So I've angled all the hair this way, and then we're literally just going to do a Dutch braid, guys. So if you're not familiar with the Dutch braid, I have got lots of tutorials. So we're breaking the hair into 3, under the middle, under the middle, under the middle, and then adding hair to this section here. And I just want to kind of keep this style, just go for it, like don't be too worried about making it perfect. I'm just grabbing these sections of hair, smoothing them out with my fingers. I'm not really using much product. I've used a tiny bit of wax spray at the beginning, just to tame some of the flyaways. And then you'll just keep going all the way to the top of the head. So we're right to the top here, guys. Bailey's been a little trooper. It's only taken a couple of minutes to get up here. Last little bit goes in. And then I'm just going to braid a little bit down. Just popping an elastic in there. And then I'm just literally just going to take that tail end there, bring it here, taking a few hairpins and just attaching that part of the braid. So I've just given this hair, guys, a little bit of back comb just to try and thicken it out a bit, and I'm just going to really, really loosely twist it. And then I'm going to pull out that twist. And I do want this style to be a little bit messy, a little bit chaotic, nothing too perfect. And then I'm just going to pin that piece of hair there. So I just kind of looked at the style at the end there, guys, and I just thought, no, I didn't want the little bits out on this one. I kind of wanted it a bit more severe, so I'm just pinning these into the style, which is why I would always advise to leave bits out if you're not sure, and then it's easy just to pin them up if you don't want them. So you can see what I mean, guys, by edgy. It's a bit different. It's not to everybody's taste. I couldn't get away with it, but I think Bailey looks fabulous. I'm going to give you a little spin. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please put in the comments whether you think you could get away with this style, if it's for you, if it's not for you. And I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.
Bye.